Alam mo kung ano magmamotivate sa'yo? Yung totoong sitwasyon mo. Masaya ka ba talaga sa buhay mo? Masaya ka ba sa resultang meron ka? Are you happy with your relationship with your family? Are you happy with your relationship with yourself? Di ba gusto mo ng bahay? Of course! Dapat lang, deserve mo yan eh. Gagamba nga may bahay eh. You deserve whatever you want. The problem is, hindi ka naniniwalang deserve mo. Nagmahal ka, binigay mong lahat, pero nasaktan ka lang. Nagtiwala ka sa mga tao, binigay mong lahat. You keep trusting people, giving them everything you have. Your time, your effort, your love. But they kept on betraying you. And you will feel bad about yourself. And you will stop loving yourself. Ang nangyayari, hindi mo makuha yung mga bagay na gusto mo kasi baka hindi mo alam kung ano yung totoong gusto mo. You stopped loving yourself and right now, you wanna tell yourself, pagod na akong masaktan, ayoko na masaktan. Ako naman muna. Gusto ko nang mahalin yung sarili ko. Pero paano mo mamahalin yung sarili mo kung hindi mo kilala sarili mo hanggang ngayon? Yes, I know, it's painful. That is why you must decide right now.